Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let us introduce you the Allreli 9 ampere 6 port USB power adapter. Model number is 968A. And it's best for Apple, for Samsung, for HTC, for Sony, for BlackBerry, for Raspberry, of course, for all kind of devices which are going to be loaded or refilled with energy by USB connection. It's really easy and it is a travel adapter. That means here with that device you can recharge nearly all your devices in Australia, in United Kingdom, in nearly all Europe and North America. We connect to the appropriate plug to our power adapter easily, and then we can get it into the socket, and then we can use one or all of the 6 ports to load or to run our devices. Intelligent overheat, overcharging, and overcurrent protection is built in. Power and charge up to 6 of our USB power devices with the proper USB cable, which is not included. So this you have to take with yourself. And of course, your device like a smartphone, an iPad, tablet, headset, earbuds, etc., etc. The charging will automatically identify the technology. It detects our device to deliver its fastest possible charge speed up to 2.4 amps per port. Automatic identification of the equipment. We do not need to find the most suitable USB output in charge. We just plug in the device into any of the ports. It can charge it at its full speed, and each port comes with a 2.4 ampere maximum speed. We connect the device adapter really easy between the power adapter's USB socket and the mobile devices. Then we insert the power adapter into the wall power outlet. The LED will light up. After charging, we disconnect the items in reverse order. It's cool. We can recharge an iPad Shuffle for it. We can recharge our iPad or our iPhone. We connect the original iPod Shuffle directly into the USB socket easily, and it will be reloaded. We can do that with the same, but for an iPad, for example, we will need an USB cable for it, USB-C to USB cable. And to shut off the power completely, we have to disconnect the power adapter from its power source. We never open the power adapter, of course. Before using the power adapter, we check the USB ports to ensure there are no foreign objects within. When handling the power adapter, always hold it by the side, and we keep our fingers away from the metal parts, of course. We can use the different types of plugs. Austria with 240 VAC, United Kingdom with 230 VAC, Europe with 230 VAC, and North America with 120 VAC. That means this power adapter here has input specification from AC 100 volt up to 240. And it runs with 60 and 50 Hz. The USB power output will be DC 5 volt and 9000 milliampere. The model number is 968A. The operation temperature is from 0 degrees Celsius up to plus 40. The storage temperature from minus 20 to plus 65. It comes from Allreli, as you can see, and it's really cool if you are on vacation and you travel to the United Kingdom. Then you have a little problem because your own connections will be not fit there. In this case, for example, UK or in other countries, in this case, the USB power adapter will comes to you and helps you. The same, you come from the States, from the United States to Europe, use that travel adapter, get it in position, job's done. And you can reload, or you can control, or you can work with 2, 4, 6 USB devices easily. 9 ampere, 6 ports. Each port will deliver 2.4 amps. This is the USB power adapter by Allreli. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.